Hello and welcome to What's Brewing with the Bowling Green Chamber of Commerce, where, like a good cup of coffee, these October activities can help you network, grow your business, and give you valuable business information. So be sure to attend these October events. First, our Lunch and Learn on the topic of the importance of diversity in our community and the workplace. A candidate forum for the League of Women Voters will also be held. Then, joining our Bowling Green business community will be both Penna Career Center and Sleek Academy. Be sure to support them by attending their ribbon cutting ceremonies. Business Briefing and Brew will be at Work Leads to Independence, and an exciting social media campaign will be kicking off to help us celebrate women as a part of National Women's Small Business Month. Then, in 3 months, Santa will be here, and so will our holiday parade in November, an annual event you won't want to miss. So be sure to check out information on that on our website. And grab your coffee and head out the door to these October events.